Welcome to an LG support video. In this segment, we will show you how steam makes a difference in how to get your dishes clean, as well as a brief explanation about how to use the steam feature on your LG fully integrated dishwasher. Steam allows for thorough cleaning of baked-on foods while using less water than other power scrub methods. Effective but gentle cleaning performance when cleaning fine china and stemware items on a delicate cycle. More active penetration into all areas and corners of your dishes. Hotter interior temperature to melt oily or waxy substances like lipstick along the rim of a glass. For this video, we will use model number LDF8072. Warning: steam can cause burns. Use caution in the area of the steam nozzle on the left side of the dishwasher if the door is opened during the steam portion of a cycle. Contact with the steam or the steam nozzle can cause burns. In general, it's not advisable to open the door while the dishwasher is in operation. If the door is opened, a safety device stops the dishwasher. Care should be taken when opening the door immediately following the cycle, as steam may escape. Your LG dishwasher comes with a steam washing feature which provides better cleaning performance and delivers better energy efficiency than regular wash systems. Load heavily soiled or stained dishes in the front left side of the lower rack, with the dirty dish side facing down and angled towards the steam generator. This is the area the steam enters the dishwasher. There are 3 different steam cycles available for use. The steam power cycle is for heavily and hard-soiled dishes. This setting defaults to the highest spray intensity and uses the power of steam to wash heavily soiled dishes. The steam delicate cycle adds the gentle power of steam to boost the cleaning power of the delicate cycle. The cycle is intended for effectively cleaning delicate items such as fine china and stemware. The steam dual cycle enables you to fully customize the wash cycle intensity for the upper and lower racks independently in the same load. The default setting for this cycle washes the lower rack with a strong spray intensity and the upper rack with a soft spray intensity. This provides optimum cleaning performance for mixed loads, including fine china and stemware. If other combinations of dishes are desired, use these steps to change the intensities. First, select Steam Dual. Then, press the Spray button to toggle between soft, medium, and strong for the upper spray arm. After making your selection for the upper spray arm, press the Half Load button. Press the Spray button to toggle between soft, medium, and strong for the lower spray arm. Close the door to start the cycle. Thank you for watching the LG Customer Support channel. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.